The Alchemy of Gratitude. This is Philip Mountrose. My wife and partner, Jane Mountrose, and I help people tap into the heart and soul of coaching and healing, explore an important topic of how to deal with today's growing meta crisis, this overlapping global crisis and divisions that keep occurring around us, these wicked problems, and looming behind it all is the climate crisis, the existential threat. So what do we do about it? Well, the answer has to start within, with us individually, which affects the collective, all of us. And one of the best tools to improve, to change, to help our current situation, it's a free tool. It's gratitude, being thankful, which is ironic that being thankful is the way to help this fine mess we've gotten ourselves into, to quote Laurel and Hardy. So I want to look at gratitude from three perspectives: the past, the present, and the future. And to look at it from the past, you might notice something hidden in plain sight, a huge fact that affects us all, that in the approximate 8 billion people on the planet, virtually all of them are traumatized more or less. Now, from this pain, there's some good news that we can transform that and use it to heal, learn, and grow, and be grateful for the challenges and lessons it has given us to learn, so we can use our pain and free ourselves from the past. So we can be grateful for that. And also, we can be grateful for all that has been given to us from people in the past, people who have been kind to us, who've been good-hearted to us, who've extended a helping hand to us. And it's nice to be appreciative of that in whatever way, to say it to people, to think it, to pay it forward to other people, but to take our past. And that takes us to gratitude for the present, the present. So in the present, we do have much to be grateful for. It's all around us. It's in the gifts that we have, that we've been given. We've been endowed with gifts, things we can do easily that are very useful and enjoyable and help other people, whether we're good at coaching or healing or communicating or serving or researching or in art or whatever. We can freely share that and be grateful that we have those abilities given to us. And also nature. Look at all around us. I'm in this Palm Desert golf course with the mountains looming behind me in a beautiful way. We can breathe in the air. We can feel the sun. We can sense our feet on the ground. We can see or taste water. All of that is there, free to us, pretty much there, surrounding, supporting us, giving us the life energy that is essential. And we can breathe it in now and exhale and release and sense ourselves as a wonderful being in this world, supported by all nature's extraordinary elements constantly. To be grateful for that. So that's wonderful. So we can appreciate that now in this present as a present to us. So going forward, the future, using all of this, using our sense of direction, our sense of support, we can start to feel grateful for what is possible using our gifts, using nature, using the lessons we have learned. All of that can take us into a brighter path, a higher trajectory. And this is where the transmutation comes in. This is where the shifting, the alchemy comes in. The elixir of turning gold, turning base metal into gold. That was the traditional or the ancient art of alchemy. So in today's world, it's something that can change or cure, resolve something, and make it good and prosperous and thriving. So take lack in the thriving and be grateful for what we have, and that can be a seed that can grow. So we can use our alchemy of gratitude to change the division in the world, the hatred, the separation, and that base metal, transmute that with our inner alchemy by gratitude into love and caring and creativity and sharing, doing wonderful things. And we can be more on that path So that's a wonderful possibility for us all right now in this moment and going forward. So great things are in store for us. And it starts with us, and that's how we can start to deal with this overwhelm and meta crisis and division, one breath at a time, one person at a time, one moment at a time. We can keep doing that, and our world shifts and change, and we're shining that bright light into the future as we breathe in gratitude and breathe it out and share it and spread it into the world.